Hey guys, Trevor here with Detailed Solutions, the new standard. Established in 2013, our motto is quality over quantity. Founded by one man with a dream in a lonely underground parking stall, Detailed Solutions has since grown into a premium brand with world-class products and services. I'm here today to talk to you about the paint correction services that we offer. So you're probably asking, what exactly is paint correction? Paint correction is the process of reconditioning or repairing the clear coat and paint on a vehicle. It is the refined and technical term of polishing a vehicle's painted parts. Sometimes it can be referred to as buffing, buff and polish, or sometimes cut and polish. In order to properly correct the paint, countless hours or sometimes even days need to be spent to polish out the defects from the paint. The defects can occur in a number of different depths of the paint. Majority of paint work is usually made up of the base coat over the sheet metal. And then depending on the manufacturer of the vehicle, there's a number of different layers of paint, and then finally followed up with the clear coat. Paint correction can be completed in two main stages. Firstly, compounding, which is a more aggressive but effective method of removing scratches and defects. And then secondly, you have polishing, which is designed to burnish the paint to a high gloss finish. The differences after completing these steps can often be night and day. Swirl marks, water etching, fading, and scratches can all be removed through these steps, leaving the paint looking glossy and lustrous. All right, now we're gonna go through the steps that we take with every paint correction that we complete here at Detailed Solutions. After a full wash and decontamination, the first thing we do is to inspect the paint's condition. It is important to have the surface completely clean and under the proper lighting in order to conduct the inspection properly. We then determine if a single stage, two stage, or in some cases, a multi-stage polish is needed. Masking off all of the areas around to protect the paint is necessary to prevent any damage to nearby unpainted surfaces. Each stage will take more than one or two passes to make sure that it looks its best. After completing these steps, we take a look at the results. It looks great, now just rinse and repeat for the rest of the vehicle. As you can see, paint correction is an arduous and time-consuming process requiring a lot of skill, yielding amazing results. Get your paint corrected at Detailed Solutions.